Cleft Hospital of Gujarat is the Pakistan's premier cleft and palate care hospital, offering pre- and post-surgical treatment of cleft lip and palate patients, using advanced diagnostic procedure and treatment modalities. Cleft Hospital is a state-of-the-art facility, an on-site clinical laboratory and a dental care management services, specifically dealing in intricate orthodontic treatments of cleft lip and palate patients. It has speech therapy department headed by British cleft speech therapist. A team of specialists consists of renowned plastic surgeons, anesthetists and highly trained nurses delivering top quality patient care.
Despite a high cleft incidence in Pakistan, little has been done to discover and explore the causative agents at genetic and environmental level. Our department conducts comprehensive dry and wet research in this particular area, and we have been collaborating with institutes like Mount Sinai, New York, to conduct in-depth genetic research, hoping to find a gene or locus that is causing cleft specifically in our population.
Our surgical outcome can be compared with any best surgical outcome in the world.
To find out more about hospital or to schedule an appointment, please visit clefthospital.com.